Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare public versus at-home activities. Deciding between public and at-home options depends on your personal preferences and lifestyle. We'll explore the unique advantages each setting offers, helping you understand which environment might better suit your needs. Consider factors like cost, convenience, and social interaction as we delve into this comparison. Public environments often boast a wider array of resources, like advanced equipment or specialized instructors. You can enjoy the energy of a group, fostering social connections and a sense of community. Many public spaces also offer diverse programs and classes, providing structured activities and new experiences that might be harder to replicate at home. This can be great for motivation and learning. Choosing at-home activities provides incredible convenience, allowing you to participate on your own schedule without travel time. It can also be significantly more cost-effective, eliminating membership fees and commuting expenses. Plus, you get complete privacy and the freedom to personalize your environment exactly how you like it. This control can make your experience more comfortable and tailored to your specific preferences. Ultimately, the best choice between public and at-home options depends entirely on your individual needs and priorities. Think about your budget, how much time you have, and whether you thrive in social settings or prefer solitude. Both options offer unique benefits, so weigh them against your personal goals. Remember to check the description for a link to the O-Ala water bottle and other great deals to enhance your daily routine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.